Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and of course download the Microsoft Teams application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Microsoft Teams if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the left side of the screen, we have the activity, the community, we have the chat and the calendar. We also have the search in the top right corner, and in the left side of the screen we have the invite to Teams. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and join a Microsoft Teams meeting. So basically what you of course need to do is go and open the meeting link. So click on the meeting link provided in your invitation email or calendar event. So basically wherever you got the meeting link, click on that link. You'll be prompted to choose whether you want to join a meeting using the Teams app or the web browser. If you have a Teams account, sign in with your credentials. If you don't have an account, you can join as a guest, but here we have an account. Once you're in the meeting, you can adjust your camera, microphone, and the audio settings. Then click join now to enter the meeting when you of course adjusted everything and you are ready to go and join the meeting. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.